Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix a DoorDash login error. So if you're unable to log in into your DoorDash account, what you can do is, first thing first, you can go ahead and check for an update. So for that, head over to your respective Play Store, and then on the search box type in DoorDash, and instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. So after you're done updating the application, go ahead and try to log in into your account, and this might be able to fix the issue. If this is also not working out, then what you can do is you can long press on your DoorDash account and tap the app info button. This is going to take you to the app info page, and here go to storage and cache. Once you click on storage and cache, click on clear data as well as storage. Done that, restart your device, and this might be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if nothing seems to be working out, then the major issue might be your internet connection. If you're not connected to a good Wi-Fi service, or if you're not connected to an internet service at all, then this error usually occurs. Check whether the connection is stable or not. After you've checked your connection as well, still unable to fix it, then you can go ahead and contact the support team, state about the issue. Now after doing all of these procedure, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can recheck your credentials. Sometimes your credential might be incorrect, and that might be one of the issues why you're unable to log in into your DoorDash account. So these were some of the ways to fix your DoorDash login error. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.